Good YouTube, it's your boy Fred Fletch here again. Another cord video. And as promised, I told you guys the next video after the mounts will be a video installing the J-pipe and the pre-cat leaks, which arrived today, mother truckers. So let's get into it. Okay? Okay.
Look at what we have here, Ed boy. Ooh, hot daddy. Go fast parts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good night. Can't wait to throw these on tomorrow. Woo, hot.
First thing in the morning, I'm about to be waking up and throwing these on. Before even starting the car up, I'm just gonna throw these on. I'm tired of hearing that terrible leak, bro. Like, it's like, I don't know if it's coming from, it's definitely coming from the flex pipe. The flex pipe is hit, but we're just gonna see. Make everything tight as hell tomorrow. I ain't want no more leaks, man. Killing my gas. But hopefully she sounds good, because they got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back to some MagnaFlows. So we're gonna see how they sound with this setup. Yeah, let's get into it, though. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, guys, this is the next morning. I feel sick, but I'm about to still go outside and get this install going. So bear with me. I'll try to record as much as I can, but I tell you, I'm feeling sick, so I'm about to try to just bang it out.
Now I have the car on jack stands. I sprayed the 9 bolts down below, and I sprayed up the ones up top in the front, and I took out the radiator fan, so I have the clearance to pull out the stock pre-cat. You guys can see J32A3. It was a TL engine, but yeah. Gonna try to get these out quick and then try to put the new ones in. Hopefully no complications and no more leaks. So I'll get back to you guys when these are out. Alright guys, I got this stock stuff out. It was definitely leaking right there, so it wasn't seated all the way. Flex pipe was leaking, but I'm just gonna take these sensors out and put them in the new pipes and send it. Alright guys, here's one. Now to do the rest, well, the back one, and put the J pipe up and put everything back together. Alright guys, so because I have a 3.2 TL engine in this, the oil, I believe the oil pan sits different than the 3.0, so it's a tight fit, but I mean, I got it to work. But we may have a leak back here. I see why. If you look here, see that was leaking because this hole on the head is kind of stripped out. So might be a baby leak there. I hope not. I hope it's not bad, because this is the reason why I bought all this stuff, to get rid of the leak. But yeah, it's gotta finish tightening up those. Those are tight already, and back there's tight. So yeah, I had to take the half shaft out to get space to put that nut in there to tighten it. But I'm gonna put the half shaft back in now that it's tight, and then put my axle back in and start her up and see leaks. All right guys, everything's back together. I'm just gonna start it up, and we're just gonna hope there's no leaks. I know it's gonna leak from that back pre-cat. Let's see guys. Kind of nervous. Doesn't sound like it's leaking. All the noise is coming out the ass. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, leaks. Let's see what's up. leaks. And this shit sounds good as fuck. It's hella raspy. Guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Can't really do much beating on the car because of the leaking valve seals, but I like the way it sounds, so I'm gonna fuck with it. But drop a comment down below what you guys think of how it sounds, and I'll be back with a 1 month review on it in a month to tell you how it's been holding up. But yeah, man, you already know what to do. Comment, and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Your boy, Fur Fletch, and we out of here. Peace.